subscriber. Welcome to our channel Financial Academy. Today we are covering the topic price target. So what price target is? So before we continue, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe it. You'll get more videos from our websites. Or if you have not visited our websites, just visit. You'll come to know the different courses that we offer. We'll start the concept of price target. See, when we talk about the price target part, price target is nothing but it is a scenario that every investors they try to do before they place an order. So now the order here it is that suppose if you are a long-term trader, if you are a positional trader or a swing trader, it matter a lot for a purpose of price target. So what price target? Let's see, and we are going to see how to set price target in a different angle or from the different perspective of analysis. Let's see. Sometimes price fluctuates more than expected, so it can become a little difficult to gauge whether to trade now or wait a little more. So this is where stock recommendation helps. So nothing but price target is nothing but it requires some recommendation whether you have to hold the shares or whether you have to pocket your profits. So that's the reason that we are coming up with this new topic like that is your price target. Let's see which let you know how long you should hold a stock. A price target indicates that the price of shares is unlikely to climb above the level. So once the share price touches the target, you may look to sell it and pocket your profits. So in general terms, if you are going to see that being you are investors, we have purchased the stocks and we have to hold the stocks to get a more profit or to get a expected profit that we have expected. So if as we know the market is never gives you the second chance. Okay, so with that context, so always you to have to analyze your stocks before you pocket your profits. So that's why the price target is one of the key parameter for analyzing the stocks or for the purpose of investments. So let's see what price target in a layman language. Suppose if you are going to have a look on this level, you have purchased the shares at this point, that is your buying price, and you have hold these stocks over a period of time, and if you are going to see that this is the current price at this level, so you people don't know that what will be your price target. So in this case whether the share price will go to this level or will go decline. So in that case, so if you are going to sell this shares at this point, so you are able to make a only small profit. So okay, so if you able to set your target, suppose this is the price target, if as you have predicted, as you have done your technical analysis, with that you are able to come up that this is your price target. If you release it from here, so you'll get a small profit, and if you have to wait over here, so you'll able to make a good amount of profit. The thing is that, so that is price target is nothing but on the basis of the previous performances the share prices behave. That's why we call trend is your friend, it never betray you. So whatever the trend says that this price will go to that level, see automatically it will go to that level. So you have to wait, you have to analyze it, then you have to book your profit. So it's better to continue the shares analysis, stock analysis before you before you uh, hold the shares and before you sell the shares. So that's the reason that price target is one of the key parameter. Let's understand from a chart perspective point how to set a price target. So here I have taken a chart. So if you can see this is a candlestick chart of a one of the company. Now see here there is a two line I have drawn on the basis of the behavior of the stocks. So if you are going to see this line we call as a support line. Okay, you'll find this line is your support line and this line is your resistance line. Okay, now as I told you in the previous slide, the trend is your friend, it never betray you. So from this parameter the share price has this as a resistance point, so I have drawn the line above that. So if you are going to see that if the trend is your friend, it never betray you. Suppose at this point you have to draw a line from this to this parallel. Okay, so it can be even we are going to talk about the stop loss part also in the next video. So now see, if I'm going to draw a line of the resistance and support line, the resistance support line says that this will be the facts and figure. So now the thing is that suppose you are having a purchase the shares at this level and you have make an entry at this point, how do you set a price target? Because as you can see, this can be your one price target, 350. The reason is that trend is your friend, never betray you. So up to this point you will find your stocks to be go on. So like if you are going to have a look on this, at this point there is another price target is possible, and this is another price target is possible. So from this chart analysis you can able to know that what will be your target price. So that's a always to have a proper analysis by drawing a support and resistance line. It will help you to decide your price target. Let's see in a momentum of the stocks in a different, and it is an enlarging mode of the stocks. So there you can see that this is one of the two line support line, as it is a blue line is a support line, and this is your resistance line. Suppose it is in a drawing like that. Suppose here if you are going, it is not like that, it is not a support and resistance line. Okay, so for the understanding of that part I'm just explaining in this detail. So here you can see that this is the price target, one price target, another price target. Because the target that we can see from this level means if you have make an entry, or if you have make an entry at this point, so your stop loss will be this. Because as you can see, the lowest of the last low we call lowest of last low is called the stop loss. So if you see this level it is crash, so it will be a stop loss point. So stop loss we are going to continue in the next video. So price target is going to be show you this is one. Okay, so from this point you can see that, so it can be one if you are going to see that. And if you see this can be one, and in this case this can be one. Suppose your entry point will decide your price target. So the price target is one of the important elements while you are investing in the stock market. So before do investment, try to do proper analysis, then do investment. So that's all for this price target part. So thank you everyone. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe it. Thank you.